everyone. I'm representing Team Code Benders. Our problem statement ID is SIH25016, Automated Student Attendance Monitoring and Analytical Systems for Colleges.
Registering new student. Enter name, roll number, contact number. Now if we click on submit registration, we get to take maximum of 5 pictures. Now the pictures are stored in the student database. Click on take attendance. The attendance will be taken. The attendance took is stored in the Excel sheet. The status of attendance will be sent through SMS to the respective student.
This is the interface of the project. When we go to login, we can see 3 slides: admin, student, teacher. When we go to admin, we have to provide the credentials before only, and we can log in. We can see the student, classes, teachers, and the fees collection. Here we can see the dashboard. When we go to classes, we can add, view, and we can remove as same as student, subject, teacher, and notices. Everything will look like that. And we can see the profile here. After that, we can log out, and again we can go to student or teacher portal. When we go to student portal, we have to type the credentials every time, or we can save as like that. Here, when we add our name, credentials, everything, we can log into the student portal. Here we can see subjects, assignments, and the pie chart in form of attendance. We can go to subjects, we can add, we can remove, we can see the attendance percentage. Here we can see the details of the attendance percentage. We can add the complaints, we can see the profile. Here we can see mail address, everything. After logging out, we can go to teacher portal. We can log in using the credentials. When we log in using the credentials, we can see the teacher portal, student lessons, classes taken, tests taken, and the hours. Here I added a section. You can see the section, number of students. You can provide marks and take attendance. Here you can add complaints. You can see the profile here, and we can log out from here.
You can see the Telegram bot which I have created for the attendance monitoring and college management system. Here you can see that given the command as start, and it gives the intro message, and it is asking for the roll number to log in. We have named this bot as Maverick. Give my roll number. It will give the data of my registered roll number of attendance and number of subjects of attendance has, and number of hours the classes happened, and number of hours the student has present for the class. Here you can even ask for the average attendance. Here it is giving 99% because I was only absent for one class in the two subjects, and we can even ask for the calculation of average attendance. It will give the calculation of the average attendance, and we can even ask for the concentration level of the student which was taken during the time of the attendance, and the concentration level of the student will be for each subject, so we can ask for the it is giving for each subject, and the concentration level average can also be found. And here I've used Google Gemini API natural language for processing and large language model for the natural language. Here the user can give the input in natural language, and bot will fetch and analyze the natural language input, and it will give the output, correct output from the database. Thank you.